Welcome back. It's Mitz from Level Up Bassin, and today we have a pretty quick review. This is of the MAIKER metal gear shift storage box center console hanging box. So long story short, basically to the right and left of your shifting knob, you have a gap in your Jeep, and you can go from having nothing to having a spot to put stuff. As I said before, these Jeeps, storage is always an issue. Great spot for your sunglasses, your keys, tissues, food, all that. So again, super quick install. It should only be a couple of minutes, but I'll show you what it looks like from beginning to end. If you like what you see, please subscribe. It helps out the channel. So without any further wait, here we go. Really, there's only a few simple things you need to complete this install. One is a little flat-headed screwdriver. The other is a 4mm Allen and a 10mm socket. So step one is to remove the circle. Flathead screwdriver pops right out. Step two, 10mm socket. Remove the screw. So step three, you'll actually be taking the back side and applying the adhesive tape. With this screw inserted. Start it by hand, then using the hex. So pretty much from beginning to end, it's about a 3-minute project. This is the passenger side. Repeat the same with the driver's side, and you're done. They are metal. Works out well for clipping things too. They're sturdy, they're better than the plastic, and I like the look of them. So, another quick install from Mitz at Level Up Bassin on the Jeep. This was the storage container, the storage bins from MAIKER Off-Road. Very quick install. Check them out. I'll link to everything below. Like, comment, subscribe. It helps out the channel. More videos to come.